2025, the beginning portion of the year was all about the T word, tariffs. The market had a sideways consolidation zone break to new highs in the beginning of January and then rolled over sharply as Trump threatened the entire world with tariffs. What we were hoping was 2026 was not going to be a mirror image of what we had in 2025, but the potential for that to happen here is certainly in play, and that's why everybody's a little bit on edge here this week. See, we have a sideways consolidation zone with a breakout to new all-time highs, and then we have a move lower here yesterday, and that is off of course, Trump threatening all of our allies in the European Union. If they don't give us Greenland, we're going to increase tariffs on them by 10%. And this, of course, as we saw last year, could lead to a tit-for-tat escalation, and the market is a bit concerned here. Now, while that is very concerning, the chart could be a replay of 2025. There's a couple of things that really need to happen before we need to get really concerned. First of all, we're about 4.5% away from that major level of support, that white line here, that we bounced off of multiple times in the last quarter. That is going to be that key line in the sand. As long as we're trading above that, it's all just noise. If we break below that, we do have a structural change in the overall market. And as we saw last year, a swift and sharp sell-off happened after we broke below that level of support. So what we're going to want to pay very close attention to is that key zone of support. More importantly, we're also going to want to pay attention to exactly what the rhetoric is back out of the EU. There's a number of key economic meetings. How they're going to respond to Trump's demand to have Greenland is going to be very important here over the next couple of weeks. So unfortunately, once again, tariffs is going to be something we're going to have to pay very close attention to. We were hoping that was going to be the story for 2025 and we could move forward here in 2026, but the pressure has been put on from the White House, and we're going to have to see how the world responds, and more importantly, how the charts respond. We will certainly keep you posted on anything that takes place, but for right now, while everybody might be a little bit on edge, technically the chart is still holding on just fine. And until that changes, it's all just noise in the background.